Welcome to ThinkTree Maths. In this nugget, we are diving into the amazing world of patterns in place values. From ones to tens to hundreds and beyond, numbers follow a clever pattern. Let's uncover how these patterns help us to read, write, and understand numbers like real maths detectives. The large number has been set up in periods of hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, and trillions. Focusing on the first period of hundreds, is made up of 3 digits, the ones that have just turned yellow, and they are 4, 2, and 5. 5 ones, 2 tens, and 4 hundreds. So the number is simple to read as 425. The pattern of ones, tens, and hundreds repeats itself throughout the rest of the periods. Let's see how it turns out in the thousands period. The thousands period, which has just turned red, is made up also of 3 digits, 2 ones, 1 10, and 3 hundreds. And the number will read as 312,412. The pattern of 1, tens, and hundreds will continue in the millions, with millions that have just turned blue, 3 ones, 4 tens, and 6 hundreds. The digit 6 stands for 600, the digit 4 stands for 40, and the digit 3 stands for 3. So the number will read as 643,312,425. The pattern of ones, tens, and hundreds will continue in the billions. It will also continue in the trillions. So note that each new group of 3 places, which we call periods, repeats the pattern of ones, tens, and hundreds. Keep growing your maths mind. Subscribe to ThinkTree Maths for more nuggets.